Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I just wanted to talk about the 3D printed fuselages we have up for grabs. There's a whole variety from civil to military helicopters, as well as some test beds and even the latest FW206R racer. For the most part they all use the tried and trusted Flywing Bell 206/UH1 electronics. So very easy. I also have a lot of build videos, and they all build the same. They're all basically clipped together. So if you watch one build video, you'll know how to assemble all the rest. The advantage is you can have a whole fleet. You don't have to go buy an expensive fiberglass fuselage. You can paint them up the way you want. And if they break or if you crash, you just print a new one. So that's very handy. We've got everything from Bell 206 to Apaches, MD500s, Sikorskis, UH1s, some stuff specifically for the FW450. And my latest and greatest invention is the FW206R, which is a little sports racer for the Bell electronics if you're not into buying an FW450, or you just want a nice long flight time with a simple fuselage. So check out the link below, and yeah, send us your builds. I'll be very keen to see what you come up with.